Hello, my good people. Welcome to ICO Reviews, and today I'll be talking about Datum. This is not an ICO; it's already available for purchase on different exchange, and it's already on Coin Market Cap. But I just wanted to let you know about this particular cryptocurrency and what it's hope to achieve. Every day you browse the internet, you submit your email address to different websites, you search up the search engine, you are actually giving out different data, and those data will be used to direct adverts to you. Now the thing is this: big companies like Facebook, like Google, and all the rest are using these data to make millions and millions of dollars, and you who provide the data get nothing for it. That is where Datum comes in. When you will actually get paid for letting them access to your data is safe on the blockchain, and you get rewarded. And one of the examples can be found there. Someone earned 4,500 that is the token, and that is equivalent to $104. The price is going to change, of course, depending on the price of Datum. If Datum is $1, you can imagine it's going to be 4,500. If it's 50 cents, that is going to be half of it. If it's 1 cent, depending on the price, and you can see. Now, let's go to Coin Market Cap and see. Now, it's 17 cents is currently the price of Datum, and you can see here is right around 41. Circulating supply, that is the amount of token available now that people are exchanging, they own their wallet, is now 105 million, almost a billion. Now the total supply is 2.6 billion, and if you scroll down here, you'll be able to see the market. Markets. Just hold on a little. Now, Huobi, KuCoin, OKKs, and all the rest, these are the exchange where you'll be able to buy that. And if you click on social, you'll be able to see different information they post on their Twitter, on their Telegram, and all the rest. This is how to use Coin Market Cap. You can see different informations. You can scroll down. Now let me play your video and see more what is all about. Please listen to this video.
This is Datum, a pretty jolly bit of data. And these are his friends. 2.5 quintillion of them being created each day. You may wonder where they all come from. That's easy. From us. All of us. We leave this trail of digital bits behind us as we go through life, and these bits are collected into a mirror image of you, the virtual you. But the virtual you is not owned by you, and that doesn't seem right. Large corporations exploit your data without rewarding you in return. But what if there was a way that you could own and control this data? An avatar, perhaps, that sweeps up all your data and stores it safely in a global network that is not owned and controlled by any large entity. A network where your data is encrypted securely and you are the only one who has the keys. A network where you decide whom to share with and under what terms. And this is a wonderful thing because it protects your privacy and rewards you for what is yours. Let's get data back under our control, where we can own our virtual self and manage it responsibly.
You can see, thanks for watching the video. You can see this, what is really all about for you to get control over your data. And you can see the CEO here talking, Roga Enani. So let's listen a little.
So my name is Roger Henney. I'm the CEO of Datum, and I want to talk about data to you today, and more specifically about the new data economy that we're trying to build. So all of us create a lot of data every day, a staggering 2.5 quintillion bytes. But this data is not used very efficiently. It goes into large data silos that are controlled by large companies and organizations, and there's lots of knowledge and value locked in these data.
So you can see the CEO live here talking. I mean, whether it's an ICO or say token that is already on exchange, what we want to see is who are the team members. Are the team member real? Are they hiding their faces? And you can see here on the videos, numerous videos they have, the CEO, the interview with them. These guys are working, they are not just sleeping. So now I think he's really doing well. Is a coin doing well, and it's a coin you may have to look into to get some for yourself, because when people get rewarded for doing something, they really love it. And now is the time when people can control and own their data on the blockchain. There are so many different projects on the blockchain. Well, I just noticed this and I really want to bring it to your notice about Datum. And if you decide to buy this token, this is not an ICO, this is a token already which is available on exchange. So it's not a matter of is it a scam or whatever, it's working, it's real. So just go through Obi and just sign up for it. And I'm going to leave the link down below for Obi, for KuCoin, so that you can be able to purchase this token directly from them. But remember, I'm not your financial advisor. I'm not telling you what you need to do, what you must do. No, I'm just letting you know what this token is all about. And you can start earning by clicking on this. When you click on it, you can sign up and you'll be able to start earning the token for as giving them your information. But as they've said, the information is safe. You don't have to get worried for your information. Thank you very much for listening to my video. I really appreciate you guys. Thank you very much. And that is so much I bring to you about Datum. Don't forget to read the white paper and watch more of their videos and sign up to start any Datum. It's free money. If you too can make millions of money from your data, if Google can keep making money, why not try Datum so that you'll be able to get rewarded for sharing your data. Until next time I come your way, this is ICO Reviews.